Hello everyone, welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. So far we have discussed what flute you need to purchase and what is the how to blow inside it, what are the parts of flute, and today now we will discuss some do's and don'ts with flute. Okay, see, this is flute. Now if you have seen my earlier videos, you will get to know that I told this side of blowing areas, where is the blowing areas upper section is closed with a cork. So don't put your fingers or do not let other to put their finger inside it. If you do so, if somehow or by chance this cork is getting displaced, then your flute sound will not come properly. It will detuned. In those cases you will get difficulties if you don't have any good flute player who knows how to fix it. Okay, so my friend, please do not do this. It has been seen, many of kids used to do this, maybe there's not any intention, again maybe they did it by any chance, but if this occurs, then it is a dangerous things. Okay, number 2, do not put your flute on the floor. Is a dangerous and deadly thing if you do so. In my personal life it happens actually. One of my I sit on the floor usually. Okay, how you need to play the flute, where you need to sit, I'm bringing another video, but this is different. Okay, I was sitting on the floor and I was playing, but I kept my flute just beside me, but one of my friend, by mistakenly obviously, he just stepped into it, and that was the new flute, my friend, and brand new flute. It just is born on that day. But my flute entirely got cracked. But I fixed those. Anyways, that flute is still with me. I will show you in some other video. Do not place your flute on the floor. Keep it in your in a safe area. Okay, number 3. Now do not try not to fail the flute from your hand. Hold tightly. Okay, or if you sit on the floor, the benefit you will get, the distance, if it is fell down also, the distance may be shorter. If you are sitting on chairs or some high ground, then it is difficult. If it is fell down, the damage can be severe. Okay, if the thread is coming out, I told in other video, I will show you another video how to thread into the flute, that I will teach you. You go through that video, that will be helpful. Okay, do not play flute when you are really hungry, means you are starving. Don't play flute, not at all. If you do so, your teeth will get damage. The saliva is to come when you are hungry, when you are blowing, and that will damage your teeth. Do not do that. Do not play flute when your stomach is full. You are heavy, you have done a heavy dinner or lunch. Do not play flute just after that. If you are hungry, take some little snacks or something, have some water, and then start playing flute. Okay, if you are full with food, wait half an hour, 1 hour, then if you are feeling it's okay, you can play. And one more thing, can you run if you are full with food? No. So this flute playing is a meditations, complete meditations. You cannot blow flute if you are full, then the food may come out. Who knows? Okay. Let's talk about do's. Okay, we have already done that, what do's and don'ts with flute. Another last point, last but not the least, I have seen many of my students, they used to blow in the flute, but after just blowing inside it, they keep the flute inside a box or maybe some cover. So, my friends, try to understand. When you are blowing, just feel in your hand. You'll see this is little weight, because your saliva is coming out during your blow. So if you are blowing inside it, then saliva also coming entire body parts of this flute. Okay, in period of time, you need to clean the flute. How to clean the flute, I will bring you a separate video. Now try to understand. If you once you have done your playing the flute, do not immediately keep the flute inside a chamber, inside a box, inside a covered area. Do not do this. Make that flute, let that flute dry. Okay, then after sometimes this saliva, this layer, thin layers of a wet layers will get dry. Then keep the flute inside a box. Okay, this is a very important point. Hope you will consider this and do you practice accordingly. Okay, bye bye. We'll meet in the next video.